Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is your mentor, your teacher, CMA Pradeep Dhani. Yes, with the promise that I will come up with the law strategy, how we can get the exemption in law, and which is the most important topic in law, and what will be the strategy to complete law within 1 or 2 months. So guys, yes, I will, with the promise, I will come up with the video. So guys, after watching this video, you will get lot of confidence and there is a boost up in your mind regarding law. Law is a simple subject, but you need to make the strategy. I will prepare a strategy for you. I am hoping that you will follow this strategy. So guys, I will tell about the important topic and some topic which you can drop if you do not have sufficient time. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, yes, we can easily get the exemption in CMA Inter Law, paper number 6. Guys, what will be the strategy? We have section A commercial law 30 mark. So guys, first of all, yes, guys, we have not a huge amount of syllabus, but we can easily maintain this syllabus easily. Section 1 law, you need to spend 5 days. 5 days enough to complete the whole Indian Contract Act, because in foundation you have already studied a lot about Indian Contract Act. Law relating to sale of goods act, 3 days sufficient, you will clear. Yes guys, you can take any if you are taking classes, then you can follow the books of that particular teacher. Yes guys, and if you are doing self study, yeah, either you can do Monish Bhandari sir or any other teacher book. All book are good, but in which books you like prefer, and you looks good to comfortable in reading, so you can choose by any book. Monish Bhandari is a good book. I have also referred the book, some of the book in my earlier video. So yes guys, you can take any book in which you are comfortable. Yes, study material, but I will suggest you that for law you can take some prefer a reference book. Negotiable instrument, 3 days sufficient. Indian Partnership Act and Indian LLP Act, for both chapter you can give 5 days enough. Factories Act, payment of, and section B, we have 20 mark. Yes guys, sometime we have a, as you know that we have 130 mark paper, 100 mark, 30 optional. So sometimes this 25 become 35. So be careful guys. So Factories Act, 1 day enough, 1 day enough. Payment of Wages Act, gratuity at 1 day enough. Employee Provident Fund, Employee State Insurance, 1 day enough. Payment of Bonus Act, 1 day enough. Minimum Wages Act, 1 day enough. Payment of Wages Act, 1 day enough. Pension Fund, 1 day enough. This is a small chapter, guys. And leave this section till now. Leave section C. Now come to section D. 3 days sufficient for business ethics. This 10 marks sometime come with 15 marks. So guys, now what about corporate law? So guys, I am requesting that in Inter you need not to focus on company law, but you need to take one topic, director. You can watch the video from YouTube, any marathon video related with director, and from your friend or your reference, you can get the director notes. Other than director, no need to read from company law. Guys, in final we have to study not company law, but Inter we need not to spend too much time on company law. uh, if you are saving the time, you can spend on any other subject like financial accounting, direct taxation, cost accounting. Yes, for company law I will suggest only director. Only director. You can watch any videos or marathon videos. Lot of marathon videos related with director topic are available on YouTube. You just need to write the topic name director in YouTube, and you will get a lot of videos. Which video you prefer, you can go with the video. Or yes guys, for law I will again and again say that yes, you can take the reference book. Manish Bhandari is a good book, or any other teacher or your friend circle. If suppose your friend is taking the classes, yes, you can photocopy the notes of your friend. Yes guys, this is the strategy. If you follow within 45 days, you will complete your whole syllabus, and then you can revise your, then you can revise your law again and again. Yes guys, in CMA professional we have a good command over revision. Yes guys, so law, 5 days sufficient. Sale of goods act, 3 days sufficient. Negotiable instrument act, 3 days sufficient. Indian Partnership Act and Indian LLP Act, 5 days I am giving enough. Factories Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, Employee Provident Fund, Employee State Insurance Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Minimum Wages Act, Wages Act, Pension Fund Regulatory, Business Ethics, 3 days. Business Ethics is very easy. From study material, you can do itself. And Company Law 2020 is at 30 marks. But I will suggest you that only director, only director, only director, only director, and nothing else from company law. Because you know that we have 130 mark paper, and if we are leaving the company law, till when? Till then, you also complete your 100 mark in CMA law. Yes guys, you have to attempt your 100 mark. You need to try complete attempt 100 mark in CMA professional. I always try to attempt 100 mark. If not attempt, then no need to worry, but I always try, and my aim is to attempt as much as possible and try to complete 100 marks. So guys, yes, in company law only director and no nothing else. So guys, if you follow this strategy, I'm assuring that 60 plus you will easily get in the law. So guys, yes, I will come up with such kind of strategies, motivational videos, and what is the strategies of particular subject. Eight, we have 8 subjects in CMA Inter. I will come up with every subject individual video so that the video length will not be too much. We will make small videos so that you can get the benefit. So guys, hope you like the video. This will be the strategy of law, how we can handle or study the law. If you have any questions, you can comment me. Surely I will try to help you, and sure I will help you if you have any doubt. So again, I will say that do not spend too much time on company law, only director. And if you are saving the time, spend the remaining time in your other subject. So guys, with this video, I am ending this video, and I will come with other subject, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed and stay smile.